Yo, good morning, guys. Hayden here on a gloomy day in Austin on a Monday. Having the worst cedar allergies, so I apologize if my voice is a little muffled and nose is stuffy. But this video today is to talk about my DVD setup that I have. I got quite a few questions on how I'm finding my DVDs, categorizing them, and then fulfilling them. So I'll go over that real quick with you guys. So what I did, first of all, to build the DVD shelves was I went on to Instagram, and I know a guy by the name of Polish Hustler who does all his build out with 2x4s and cinder blocks. For ours, he might have used it, but we barely use any nails because we actually use cinder blocks for everything. Here are the racks, or shelves rather. So we just built these out. We're gonna keep building them out all the way till they go up to the ceiling. And that should give us about 6,000 slots for our DVDs. So here's how we're categorizing them. So as you can see on the cinder blocks, we are up to level 9 right now, but we've labeled every single level from the ground up to the top. That's the level number. And then we also have, we'll have the bay number. So bay 1, bay 2, this is kind of hard to film, and bay 3. And then this whole first row, the whole row itself it's A. So this is how you would find a DVD. So let's say that I'm looking for Fools Rush In. So what it would be is, it would be A dash B1 for Bay 1, right? Dash L9. So that way, it's easy to find. There's only about 50 DVDs that you quickly look through on this one row to find what you're looking for. And we're not willing to go deeper than that, like, A-B1-L9-3, like for the position of the DVD. The way we're doing it is great, guys. It's enough to where it takes you literally like 5 seconds to find the DVD. So I don't think you need to go any deeper into it that way. And then we have, in eBay, you put in the custom SKU. So you'll put the A-B1-L9, and you can find it right away. And then for fulfillment, we just have our one of our fold-up tables we bought from Home Depot. It's about, I think it was like 25 bucks, 35 bucks, something like that. It works great. And then we use our, mailers like this. We're going to buy and invest in some other ones, but right now, that's all we're using. What's up, Boyle? Hoff just walked in. Right now, that's what we're using. We're not doing the mailers yet, but we will eventually. And then I got this for the CD cleaner. It's the JFJ Easy Pro. It was only 120 bucks. So that's all worked great for us. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, obviously, please give me a like and a follow, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.